Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. It is sad we lost a friend. Honourable Ssegirinya was my friend, and I will remember him for his tireless advocacy for the right of the marginalized community, especially his people in Chebando. His fearless and outspoken criticism of social injustice and human rights abuses. I will also remember him for his passionate representation of the people of Chebando and Kawempe in Parliament, his commitment to fighting for the welfare and well-being of his constituents, his unwavering dedication to principles of justice, equality, and freedom, his role as a vocal and influential leader in the National Unity Platform, NOP Party, his ability to inspire and mobilize young people from Chebando to take action and also demand for change, which he never achieved. His courage in face of refusal to be silenced or intimidated as government and on behalf of government, and as someone who believes and supports everyone's equality. I apologize for all the mismanagement that could have happened during his life when he was on earth. And I believe we should do better. We should do better going forward. We should allow criticism where need be. And I pray his soul rest in peace. Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker.
Thank